Good morning, dear students. In last topic, I taught you other uses of plants, and in this heading, other uses of plants, we get wood from plants, we get medicines from plants, we get fiber from some plants, we get paper, jumps and rubber from plants. Last topic I have covered till we get paper, gums and rubber from plants. Now I will teach you, we prepare perfumes from some plants. We prepare perfume from some plants. Sweet smelling flowers of plants are used to prepare perfume. As we know that we are getting most of the things from the plants, so we prepare perfumes also from the some plants. Sweet smelling flowers of plants are used to prepare perfume. Sweet smelling, just like rose, we are preparing perfumes, and some common perfumes are rose, jasmine, lavender, etc. We prepare perfumes from some plants, and some common plant just like rose, jasmine, lavender, etc. you can see in the diagram. Next heading, we prepare extracts of plants for various purposes. We prepare extracts of plants for various purposes. Extracts of flowers and roots of some plants are taken out. Rose water and keura are two such extracts. Rose water and keura water, we prepare extracts of plants for various purposes. Extracts of flowers and roots of some plants are taken out, means extracts of flowers of some plants, they are taken out, and roots also of some plants taken out, and then they prepare extracts. Rose water and keura are two such extracts. Some plants are used as hedges. Thorny plants are used to make fences around crop fields. Evergreen plants like boxwood and holly are used to make hedges around lawns and parks. Some plants are used as hedges, and thorny plants are used to make, you can see in the diagram, thorny plants are used to make fences around crop fields, and evergreen plants, boxwood and holly are used to make hedge around lawns and parks. Just we can see in the diagram. So we seen that we are getting most of the things from the plants, and plants are very useful to us in many ways. Just we get wood, medicines, fibers, paper, gum, rubber and perfumes from plants, and plants make the air fresh and clean, as we know that. And now some other uses of plants. Except these, some other uses of plants. Many plants are used as fodder for cattle, means food for the animals. Many plants are used as fodder for cattle, and juices and oils of certain plants are used to make soaps, shampoo and toothpastes. Juices of oils of certain plants. Certain plants, oils and juices are used to make soaps, shampoo and toothpaste. And plants purify the air as that we breathe. Plants purify the air because we are taking oxygen. If air is fresh, then it is good for the health also. We are taking oxygen and exerting out the carbon dioxide, and if air is fresh or purified, then it is very good for the health. That is why we grow plants near our homes, because if so much plants near our homes, then it is very good for the health. Then we will get the fresh and clean air. We grow many plants for their beauty, and some homes we can see that some plants they are using for their beauty. And trees are homes for many birds and animals, and we can see that trees are homes for many birds and animals. Some birds and animals making a home on the trees, and then they are living there. So we can say that trees are homes for many birds and animals. And then flowers are used for decoration. Some flowers we are using for the decoration. Bouquet and garland are made from flowers. Some decorative items, bouquet and garlands are made from the flowers. So other than these, wood, medicine, fiber, paper, gum, rubber and perfume, we are getting many things from the plants. Means plants are used as fodder for cattle. Juices and oils of certain plants are used to make soaps, shampoos and toothpaste. And plants purify the air that we breathe, and that is why we grow plants near our homes, and we grow many plants for their beauty. And trees are homes for many birds and animals, and flowers are used for decoration. Buckets and garlands are made from flowers. As we can see in the diagram, cattle eating fodder. Cattle eating fodder, as we see in the diagram. And we are getting many things from the plant: toothpaste, soap, shampoo, and plants for beauty. Some plants we are planting for their beauty. So except wood, medicines, fibers, paper, gum, rubber and perfume, we are getting many things from the plants, and plants are very useful for us. Plants are very useful for us. And bamboo is a kind of grass. Bamboo is a kind of grass, and the more paper is wasted, the more trees are cut. If we will waste the paper, then more trees we will get. So no need of cutting no need of cutting plants, and it's our duty. We can save the plants, because many things we are getting from the plants. Now come to the worksheet 3. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Wood used to make furniture, doors, window, etc. is called. Wood used to make furniture, doors, window, etc. is called timber. Wood used to make furniture, doors, windows, etc. is called timber. Many plants gives us medicines to treat diseases. Many plants give us medicines to treat diseases. Fiber from coconuts is also called coir. Fiber from coconuts is also called coir. Bamboo trees are used to make paper. Plants are used as fodder fodder for cattle. So in first one we seen that wood used to make furniture, doors, window, etc. is called timber. Many plants gives us medicines to treat diseases. Fiber from coconuts is also called coir. Bamboo trees are used to make paper. Plants are used as fodder for cattle.